Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can insert a signature into a document on the Mac. You can sketch out your signature on your iPhone or your iPad and insert that directly into a document. We're going to look at this on both the iPad and the iPhone. Let's first take a look at how we can do this on the iPhone. Let's go over to my Mac and my iPhone. So I'm looking at my Mac here and I have a Pages document open here. What I would like to do is add a signature down here at the bottom of this letter. How can I do that? Well, on an iPhone, it's pretty simple to do. All you have to do is just sketch your signature on the iPhone and it'll insert in here automatically. To do that, you need to have your iPhone nearby. So I have my iPhone next to my Mac here, and it needs to be signed in with the same iCloud account. From here, what you do is you go up to Insert. What you need to do is you need to look for Import from iPhone or iPad. Now this can move depending on which app you have. I'll show you that later on when we do this from the Notes app. But basically what we want to do is we want to look for this Import from iPhone or iPad. When we do that, you're going to see an option to import from your iPhone if it's nearby or your iPad if it's nearby. Let's go and do this from the iPhone first. So I want to sketch out my signature. All I have to do is just go to Add Sketch and watch what happens with the iPhone here. Add Sketch. It opens up and it's waiting for my sketch. So now all I need to do is just draw my name in here and then I tap on Done in the upper right hand corner of the iPhone and we can see it inserted into my Mac. So now I can just drag this around and place it down towards the bottom. I can resize it, I can delete it, and draw it again, because that's not a very good signature. But that's okay. Let's take a look at how we can do this from the iPad, but this time what we're going to do is we're going to go from the Notes app, so I can show you that this menu moves around a little bit. So I'm going to hide this, and we're also going to go over to my iPad and Mac, and we're going to open up the Notes app. So what I would like to do is insert a signature in here. Now if we look, you're going to see that I do not have insert here. So how can I insert my signature? Well, what we need to do is we need to go over to File now. Under File, you're going to see Insert from iPhone or iPad. So that's what we're looking for, this Insert from iPhone or iPad. And like I said, it can move around. So now I'm going to go over to Add Sketch from my iPad and watch what happens. My iPad is waiting for a sketch. So now all I need to do is just draw out my name here. I tap on Done in the upper right hand corner. It inserted it into the Notes app. Actually, you can't see it. Let's go ahead and hide my iPad here and you can see that it inserted it into my Notes app. Now, as I mentioned, that insert from can be hard to find. It can move around depending on which app you're using. Well, I'm going to show you a little tip on how you can find that. All we need to do is go over to our Mac. So let's go over to my Mac here. And then when we go up under Help, what you need to do is you need to search for Insert From. So I'm just going to delete this and I'm going to type in here Insert From. And you're going to see we have a number of results. And when I move my cursor over top of one of them, you're going to see it shows me where it is. So this one is under File. When I'm in the Notes app, it's under File here. Let's take a look at this in Pages. So I'm going to hide this and we're going to go to Pages. I don't know where Insert From is. So how can I find that? How can I insert a signature? Again, we just go up under Help and I'm just going to delete this and we're going to retype it so you can see how it works. I go Insert From and again, I just hover my cursor over top of it and we can see it is under Insert when we're in Pages. So that's how you can insert your signature into a document on the Mac. Just search for that Insert from iPhone or iPad on your Mac. If your iPhone is nearby, your iPad is nearby, and it's signed in with the same iCloud account, it'll turn on and you'll see a place where you can sketch your signature. Just sketch your signature, tap on Done, and it'll insert it into your document. So that's how you can insert your signature into a document on the Mac.